Everyone, the Sicily Lovers Tour has begun. This is the second day. I'm drunk. I want to say that I'm enjoying another beautiful day with my friends. As always, we are enjoying the special dinner at Palazzo Francavilla here in Palermo. And now I want to introduce you to my friends. Please, Rosella, follow me.
Yes? I can start for you, Gianca. So, here we have
Anna,
from,
Chicago.
and you have a Sicilian origin.
Yes.
From
Ciamina e Caccamo e Termini Medese.
Caccamo, you didn't tell me. I'm from Caccamo.
Mia nonna.
You will investigate later. Why you didn't tell me? This is a surprise also for me. Oh, then we have
Joe. Joe, there you are.
Joe
Joe.
and Alberta. Alberta from,
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
and you also have a Sicilian origin.
Yeah, my family is from Messina.
My family is from Visaquino.
Bisaquina and Messina.
Very good.
Let's see here. We have
Domenico,
and
Nancy.
from
Little Egg Harbor, New Jersey.
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Originally from Licata.
Licata.
Originally from Brooklyn.
Very good.
Now here we have another beautiful couple
Anthony Padania.
and
Debbi.
from
Debbi,
where?
don't be shy. Debbi.
From Massapequa, Long Island. And we're originally from parts of New York City, which I'm from Brooklyn, and Debbie is from the Bronx.
Thank you.
And you have a Sicilian origin as well.
Yes.
Sicilian and Rome.
And I'll break it up. Mine's from Naples.
Naples. Italian as well. And let's see here. We have
Dominic Marzullo from Staten Island,
and
Ann Marzullo from Staten Island.
originally from Brooklyn, and roots in Licata. My father came from Licata.
Licata, yes.
Alligata.
Licata.
Alligata. That's okay.
it's unbelievable because in this tour we have two Domenico from Licata, the same place.
And they're not related.
No, we met for the first time here during the Sicily Lovers Tour.
Right.
So,
Thank you. Let's see here.
Vivian from Riverhead, New York,
And
both of my parents domiciled from Sciacca, Sicily.
Gianca, the south part of Sicily.
That's correct.
Thank you.
thank you. Then I switch.
Yeah.
I go this way.
Another beautiful couple here.
I'm John, this is Linda. My family's from Missilmeri, Missilmeri, I actually said it right. Wow.
Where do you live?
I'm sorry, and we live in Texas, grew up in California.
Thank you.
That's
Thank
why
you.
we're warped, so. We can't decide which one we're in.
Thank you.
And look at these two beautiful ladies. Would you like to say our friends where you
Well,
live? And who
we
you
are the lonely Brits. We're the two lone Brits in this
I'm not sure about lonely
delight
though.
to listen to all your stories. I'm from Manchester, and
I'm from Leigh-on-Sea in Essex.
beautiful fishing.
It's a very old Victorian fishing town in Essex.
So you are from UK.
Oh, we're from
I
the
forgot
UK.
that bit, yeah.
Sorry, forgot
I did say Brits.
For the rest of the world.
But now you are family with the others.
Oh,
Yes,
we've no
other
connection.
Sicily
We're not
lovers.
Sicilian. Neither of us are not Sicilian connected.
Brave, thank you.
And here,
My name is Andy, and I am from Aptos, California.
Andrea from Aptos.
but you have a Sicilian origin because now it's time to see another beautiful couple here.
I'm Misty Sanfilippo,
Dan Sanfilippo from San Jose, California,
and I have family from Missilmeri.
and my family's from Trevia.
So unbelievable. In the same group, other two people from the same place, Missil Mary.
Thank you so much. And finally,
And now I'm sitting here next to my husband. This is great.
And my connection to Sicily is my lovely wife, Anna. We're from Chicago.
bravi. And now, yes, Rosella, please.
Okay.
Teach-
I hope you can remember.
Teach our friends who are watching us our traditional way to toast.
Okay. Arisa. Agala. Acosta. A saluti, Mosha! And now it's time to say goodbye, following my style. So all together, love and kisses from Sicily. Ciao! Raise your glass.
Bravi! Ciao!